Hello everyone. Today I have a questions related to height and distance of grade 10. The question is like this. When a pole fixed in one corner of a square plot of land having length 10 meter is observed from the opposite corner, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 45 degree. The first question is, draw a figure to represent the above statement. Here we have to draw a square plot from where one of the opposite corner, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 45 degree. So for this, to make the figure as a square plot, here we have made ABCD as a square plot where BD will be its diagonal. We have just inclined this square plot so that the pole formed here is MB, the height of the pole is MB, and the angle of elevation from point D to point M is 45 degree. Since it is a square plot, every size they are equal. So this will be the figure for the question. ABCD as a square, height of the pole is MB, BD is the length of diagonal of square plot ABCD. And the next question is, find the length of diagonal of land. This plot, if we have to find out the length of diagonal, means we need to calculate the length BD. Since ABCD is a square, every sides of square are equal. So here and in a square, every angles are 90 degree. So triangle ABD formed is a right angled isosceles triangle. So for this, to find the length of BD, we will use the Pythagoras relation. H square equals to B square plus B square. So here H is DB or BD. So DB square, H square equals to DA square plus AV square. Since both AD and AV are 10 cm, so AD is 10 square, AV is 10 square, AV square, so it gives 100 plus 100, 200, which is equal to 10 root 2 meter. So the length of diagonal is 10 root 2 meter. The next we have to find out the height of the pole. That means here the pole is MB, so height of the pole MB we will find out by the trigonometric ratio sine cos tan. So here MB, taking reference as 45 degree, MB will be the perpendicular length and DB will be base. As DB, the length of DB is known from number B, we have to go with trigonometric ratio tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equals to, tan is always the ratio of perpendicular by base. So tan 45 degree is equals to MB by DV. So here it gives the value of tan 45 is 1. DV we have just got from number B is 10 root 2. So replacing value of dB as 10 root 2, we get MB also 10 root 2 meter, cross multiplying it. So the height of the pole is also 10 root 2 meter. And the next question for this is, what should be the length of the plot of land in map as per the scale 1:200? Scale 1:200 means 1 cm if we draw on map, that is equal to 100 cm in the actual length. So length of the plot is 10 meter. So if you convert this into centimeter, we get 1000 cm. So 100 cm actual length is represented by 1 cm on map. We have 1000 cm actual length. So it represents 1 by 100 into 1000 cm on map, that is equal to 10 cm. So if 10 meter it is there on actual and the scale is 1:200, if we draw it on map, it will be of 10 cm. In this way, this problem is solved.